Have you been wrapping presents the wrong way all your life? Well, get ready for a game. Changing trick that even some professionals don't know about. It's not only easier but quicker, and it can even save you on wrapping paper. First, don't place the gift on the paper as you usually do. Instead, angle it so that a corner of the wrapping paper overlaps one side. The key is to ensure all four corners are covered, giving you just enough wrapping paper. Let's dive right in. Make sure one corner of the wrapping paper faces the side of the gift. Pull it upwards, ensuring all edges are tight, and secure it with adhesive tape. Now fold the first side, ensuring the corner is flush. Secure it with tape. Repeat the process for the next side, adjusting to align the edges perfectly. Now for the trickier part. Fold both sides simultaneously so the corners align, fold the top piece back up, trace the edges, and secure with tape. And there you have it! A perfectly wrapped gift, and you've even saved on wrapping paper. The edges are straight and it looks absolutely beautiful. But what about round gifts? Let me show you. This wrapping paper trick is taking the internet by storm, and it's perfect for round gifts. Cut the wrapping paper to go all the way around the gift and over at least half of the sides. Make cuts every ½ centimeter at the top. Fold each piece into the center and create a straight edge at the back. Secure it with tape or add a bow for that extra touch. And if you don't want to cut the paper to size, ensure the wrapping paper goes around the gift at least once. Secure it with tape and start placing the paper in the center at the top. Create small creases and continue every 1 to 2 centimeters until you've gone all the way around. The result: a perfectly wrapped gift with a straight edge. So there you have it. Ingenious tricks for wrapping gifts like a pro. Whether it's saving on wrapping paper or mastering the art of wrapping round gifts, these techniques will make your presents stand out. Happy wrapping!